Okay, today we have this awesome 1975 CB400F Super Sport. This is a really nice 4-into-1 Honda. It has this awesome cafe Resto-Mod theme going on, and we have a lot of stuff to cover before we take it outside and fire it up, so let's get started. Basically, the engine has a full top-end rebuild, valve stem seals, valve guides, new cam chain tensioner, primary chain, new clutch pack, starter clutch rebuild, new stator. All of the engine cases and things have been media blasted and then coated with a nice high-temp engine enamel. Really high compression on the engine rebuild. New exhaust gaskets mated to that 4-into-1 exhaust system. Little turn-down pipe at the end there. The carburetors have been fully rebuilt. New gaskets, seals, jets, new floats actually, and jetted to match the nice new pod filters there. We have new intake gaskets and clamps, new fuel hoses, new drainage lines. The crankcase breather is actually routed to this really nice chrome bracket there. Sometimes those subtle details really help with a cafe build. The tank is from a 350 twin. It has some really nice custom aluminum badges there. Those badges, the tank cap, and some engine covers have all been painted with a really nice Duplicolor. It resembles anodizing, but it's actually a paint. Fully custom seat and tail section here. This is a stainless steel seat with stainless steel seat pan with really nice emblems and decals. The seat pan, tank, and gauges have all been painted with a nice blue metal flake paint scheme. Very sharp on this bike. About an 1.5-inch pad on this premium vinyl seat cover. All of the electrical has been relocated under that seat. We have new coils, new plug wires, new caps, new spark plugs, new regulator rectifier, full-size AGM battery under the seat hump there, which allows you to use the electric start still. The frame has been fully blasted and repainted, including the swing arm and like the brake stabilizer bar there, including the motor mounts. Everything has been done nicely on this bike. In the back we have these RFY Canister Shocks. Certainly a lot more comfortable than the 40-year-old originals would have been, and the colors match quite nicely. The wheels have been fully media blasted and then coated with an oil-resistant coating. That way they don't rust or oxidize, any trouble there. New wheel bearings, new tires and tubes. We have this custom license plate bracket out of aluminum there. Rear set controls with CNC'd aluminum brackets, knurled foot pegs, and these are actually adjustable with this linkage here. The location of the seat and foot pegs allows about a 6-foot rider to fit this bike comfortably. Certainly shorter riders can fit well if you adjust the pegs and things too. Coming forward we have a new horn there. And just a couple of subtle things like these blue stainless cable ties. The front wheel is converted from a 350 twin. Both drum brakes have sintered brake shoes, so they're actually very powerful. Don't worry about it not being a disc. The disc brakes from this era were not very powerful anyway. Fully rebuilt forks that have been blasted and painted to match the frame. New fork seals, new fork gator covers. Chopped down fender that's been painted to match. We have a chrome headlight bucket with a removable halogen bulb. Chrome fork ears there. We have these nice chrome clip-on handlebars, which again they can be adjusted if you're a taller rider or something like that. Not something you can do if you have a clubman style handlebar. New perches and levers, new controls, new throttle tube with Renthal grips. We have these anodized aluminum bar end mirrors there. The ignition switch has been relocated up here. Machined down the top triple clamp. Top and bottom have been repainted. New chrome cap nut there. The tapered roller bearing conversion in the head. Very smooth handling on this bike. New chain and sprockets for the final drive system. Everything's been done nicely on this bike. It's right and tight. Let's hear it roar. There we go, just a lovely machine. Don't hesitate to ask any questions or provide a few comments. Thanks for watching. For more information on this and other classic cycles, see us on the web. Thanks.